How you going, everyone? Welcome to the workforce. I hope you are having a fantastically productive day wherever you are in the world. If not, well then this video will leave you bloody feeling pumped and productive. Look at this. Look at this team of flood water specialists. They've been called out to a job that no one else in the city can do. There's a massive flood on the street all the way down there. There's a little camera pan. This isn't an AI generated video. I believe it's real. There's a flood on the street. And I don't know who called in this team of specialists, maybe the local government. They were like, oh, is this the bloody flood prevention water specialist team? And the boss said, yep, this is us. What do you need? And the government said, wow, we need you to sort out the fucking flooded street down the road. And the boss said, no worries, I'll get my best team on the job. If this is the Avengers, I'm sending you Iron Man, Hulk, and Captain America. I'm sending you the absolute best of the best. Look at that. They are smashing it. Scoop of water in the bucket. Another scoop of water in the bucket. Scoopy scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop in the bucket. Scoop in the bucket. Fuck yeah, this is going to be done in about 3,000 days, which is roughly 8.2 years. Maybe they'll have it done before that. Like, yeah, this side of the street's looking good. I reckon they're making a dent. Their work is having an impact. That's what we all tell ourselves as well, isn't it? So, stay optimistic, I reckon. Fuck me. To be fair to them, I mean, why try? You know, they're just like, whatever, whole world will be flooded soon. Let's just fucking kill some time.